Oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid, meaning that it does not follow Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The phenomenon of Oobleck originates from Dr. Seuss' book, Bartholomew and the Oobleck. In the story, Oobleck is a green, gooey substance that almost buried the entire kingdom. Here's how to make Oobleck. The ingredients needed will be cornstarch, water, and a mixing bowl. Step 1. Add cornstarch. Step 2. Add water little by little. If you accidentally put too much water, don't be afraid to add more cornstarch. The cornstarch and water ratio should be 2:1. However, the correct texture is found when the Oobleck is liquid when untouched and solid when pressure is applied. If I slowly put my finger in the Oobleck, it easily slides in. However, force is needed to pull my fingers out. When slow and steady force is applied, the particles are able to move away. However, when sudden force is applied, the particles do not have time to move away. Hence, it acts like a solid. Playing with Oobleck can be messy. However, it is easy to clean. Add water to the Oobleck. Clean the rest with tissue. That's it. A fun activity to try with Oobleck would be to make a large batch and try walking on it.